popular guys. So, you might wonder why my text looks different. It's because I changed editing softwares from Power Director to CapCut. This editing software is really great and fast to learn for beginners, so I highly recommend it. So, if you want to try this editing software for yourself, the link is in the pinned comment. Wait, what was this video about, again?
Oh crap!
I am going to show you how to make an intro, like my one, on PANZOID. So, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, as that will really help me out. Anyways, without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. So, how was it? If it was hard, tough and painful to understand, I deeply apologize, as this is my first tutorial ever. Anyways, I think it is time to show the final result. Okay, so that's how to make a glitch intro in PANZOID. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. This took a big while to make, so please share this vid to the world as I am a small YouTuber. Anyways, that is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, stay safe and I will see you guys soon. Bye.